Well, users, in this video we shall know how to highlight the content in MS Excel sheet. So for that I have opened an MS Excel sheet where I have typed names of a few of my students as well as the scores that they have obtained in the subject science. If we want the scores to be highlighted in this particular sheet, so how is that we are going to do? So first of all we will select this particular cell, and then we will move to this conditional formatting which is there in the home page itself, home itself. So there you can find many options. So highlight, first we will make use of this highlight cell rows. So if I want the scores which are more than 60 to be highlighted, so what is that? I'm going to do more than 90 that have to be highlighted. So I will select this greater than, so greater than 90. Okay, so greater than 90, let it be in light red field with dark red text itself. So I will have this feature itself. So okay, see the scores which are more than 90 got highlighted in red color. So next, if I want the scores which are less than, which are less than in between, which are less than in between, in between in between 60 and 90, in between 60 and 90 to be highlighted, I will select the format cells that are between and I will give the scores 60. I want the scores which are more than 60 and less than 90, that is the scores which are present between 60 and 90 to be highlighted. So let it be, I am going to format it. For that I am going to use the custom format. Let the cell be filled in blue color. Let the cell be filled in blue color and font be in bold. I will remove this strike through, and I have selected dark blue color and let the font be in light blue color. Okay, so I have customized this cell to be displayed. Okay, so the scores which are in between 60 to 90 are displayed in blue color. If for the same column, if I want the scores which are less than, the scores which are less than 60, which are less than 60, then it has to be displayed. If I want it to be displayed, I'll select in bold and I will remove the strike through and I will give it this yellow color. Okay, so yellow color, and let the font be in red color, font be in red color and the cell to be filled in yellow color. Okay, see the thing. So the scores which are in between 60 to 90 are in blue color, and the scores which are above 90 are in light pink color, and the scores which are less than 60 are in yellow color. So this is how we are going to highlight the cells by using this conditional formatting. Okay, so if we want the names to be highlighted based upon the scores, so how is that we are going to do? So I will show it to you now. So first we shall remove this highlighting thing. For that I have selected the column conditional formatting, wherein you can find clear rules from selected cell. So I have removed this highlighting thing. So now the column wherein I want the names to be highlighted based upon the scores that they have obtained. So what is that I have to do? I have to select this particular cell where names are present. Okay, so again I will move to conditional formatting. Here I can make use of this highlight cell rules once again. There we can find the more rules. Okay, so here use a formula to determine which cells to format. This you can use, or else you can also make use of this new rule wherein you can find the same box. Okay, so here you can also find use a rule formula to determine which cells to format. So I will select this one. So here you can find a box wherein it has been titled format values where this formula is true. So I will type the formula is equal to, so the column wherein the scores are present, so it begins from G7, it is G7. Okay, so I want the names of the students who have secured less than 60 to be displayed, or if I want the scores, names of the students who have secured less than 40 to be displayed. less than 40 to be displayed in a specific color. So for that I am going to format the color. So let the box be in yellow color and the font be in bold and red color. As it is lesser score, so I will make use of yellow and red. I will remove the strike through and I will give OK. Okay, this is how we can see the preview of it. Okay, see, the names of the students who have secured less than 40 have been displayed in yellow with red, right? So this is how we are going to do. If we want the same thing, see, if we want the names, if we want the names of the students, okay, names of the students who have secured more than, names of the students who have secured more than 90, okay, more than 90, even that we can format it. Okay, so I will remove the strike through and I want it to be in bold italics, and I want it to be displayed in font to be displayed in light color, and I want the cell to be filled in dark blue color. See, the name got displayed. The scores which are more than 90 got displayed. So this is how we can highlight the data which are there in MS Excel sheet by using this feature of conditional formatting. Thank you for watching this video.